spinal cord, which we've seen in lecture. The meninges are all around it. The outer blue layer is the dura mater. So the big thick layer is the dura mater. The thin gray line underneath it is the arachnoid. And then this sort of gray where it looks a little bit webby, sort of gray and black, that's the subarachnoid space, and cerebrospinal fluid is in there. And then the pia mater, you can't see it on this model, but it would be right up on the spinal cord.
Oh, I'm sorry, where's the cerebrospinal fluid?
In the subarachnoid space and also in the central canal, which is the hole right down the center of the spinal cord. On the spinal cord itself, you have the white matter. Those are the axons. In the front here, anterior column, lateral columns on the side, posterior column in the back. The gray matter would be the cell bodies, and they're called horns. So anterior horn, lateral horn, posterior horn. Going out from the anterior horn, these are axons. That's the ventral root. Going into the back is the dorsal root, and there's the dorsal root ganglion. Then on this model, oh, I forgot two things. The anterior median fissure is that big gap in the front. The littler gap in the back is the posterior median fissure, or median sulcus, posterior median sulcus. This one, same thing. You've got the anterior horn, lateral horn, posterior horn, anterior median fissure, posterior median sulcus, anterior column, lateral columns, posterior column, dorsal root ganglion, ventral root, and then here you can see when they come together, that's a spinal nerve. And then on this model, this is the only one where you can see this yellow fat layer. This is the epidural space right here. The dura mater is on the outside, arachnoid mater right inside of that, and then the subarachnoid space is a big space. And then on this one you can see the pia mater. See how it's that little white shell around the spinal cord? And then all the rest is the same with the horns and the columns. It's all the same as on the other model.